Hello, my name is Tess Boyle and I'm your unit assessor. I hope you're looking forward to participating in this unit as much as the teaching team and I are looking forward to working with you. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you download a copy of the Unit Information Guide as it contains important information about the unit content and delivery. You can also locate and download a copy of the suggested study schedule. As the name implies, this is merely a suggestion of the way you could engage with the unit materials. However, you are free to work through the topics at your own pace. But please be aware the tutorials will follow this schedule. The unit is divided into two modules. Module 1 presents an overview of some key concepts associated with studying the discipline we call education. The first 5 topics draw on the text written by Stephen Kemmis and Christine Edwards-Groves to integrate 5 questions associated with studying education. Module 2 takes these ideas further by applying them to the contemporary context of Australian education. In this module, we look closely at some core assumptions and beliefs associated with being an educator, and you get to road test your aspirations and reflect on your own understandings of what it means to be an educator through your immersion experience. More about that in a moment. The online study guide sets out each topic, presenting a logical and structured pathway through the learning resources. First, it is essential that you engage with the background reading to ensure you have a shared understanding of the baseline knowledge the topics have been designed and built upon. You'll see the relevant chapters from your text and other readings associated with the topics listed in the study schedule and within the topic sections of the online study guide. You can buy this book, the text, as an e-book or as in hard copy, and the details about costs and where you can buy the book are located in the textbook tab in the learning site. In Module 2, you'll also be directed to My Readings to access the associated readings. You can make an early start in the unit by getting stuck into this reading now. Each topic will have 1, 2, and sometimes 3 short recorded lecture presentations. Again, it's important that you watch these so you can access the background research we've done on your behalf around each of these topics. The videos are presented as YouTube clips, so you can watch these online within the learning site or copy the URL and watch it through the YouTube site. The questions in the Reflecting on Your Learning section are designed to prompt you to think critically about and challenge your own assumptions and beliefs about key ideas presented in each topic. Be sure to think about these prior to engaging in your tutorials. Taking notes around and in response to these questions may also provide a valuable summary of the topics to refer back to when completing your assessment tasks. You'll also find short videos presented by educators responding to the same questions we ask you to think deeply about within each topic. My aim in including these is to enhance the depth and breadth of your thinking around these concepts within each of the topics, and to provide an opportunity for you to sound check the relevance of the unit content in the wider field of education. At the end of each topic, you'll find a list of additional resources, acknowledging that in this unit we can only scratch the surface of the content and complexities associated with each topic. We hope that you'll take the opportunity afforded through the unit to investigate further the elements of the topic that pique your interest. The tutorials are designed to help you reflect on your learning, so please bring your responses to those questions along and any others you may have regarding the topics under investigation. As aspiring educators, the tutorials also provide a forum for you to engage in professional conversations. If you cannot attend a tutorial, either online or on campus, you can access and listen to the recordings. But please check the study guide, the study schedule for detailed information about the weeks these are delivered. The assessment tasks in this unit provide an opportunity for you to demonstrate your learning against the unit aims. objectives and provide evidence that you have addressed the specific accreditation requirements covered in this unit. Pardon me. Task 1, the quiz, is made up of 10 topic quizzes, one for each topic presented in the unit and one related to general information about the unit. The questions are based on the background readings and online resources provided. You can complete each quiz as many times as you like up until the due date. It's a great way to make an early start on your assessment tasks and to score an easy 20 marks in the unit. Task 2, the immersion experience and report, is worth 30% of your overall grade in the unit. You'll need to engage with this task as soon as possible to ensure you maximise the learning opportunities the experience will afford. The video located further down in this announcement page will step you through what you need to do to get this underway. Most importantly, if you do not have a blue card and/or a Working with Children check, you will need to apply for one now. Task 3, the reflective essay. This task makes up 50% of your overall grade in the unit. The immersion experience, report and feedback you receive in Task 2 will help inform the completion of this task. Finally, I'd like to extend my very best wishes to you all for your studies this session and ask that you don't hesitate to contact any of the staff in this unit if you have any questions or concerns.